Imagine a place in space where nothing can escape, not even light. A place so mysterious, it has baffled scientists for centuries. What if I told you that black holes, these cosmic giants, hold the secrets to understanding the very fabric of our universe? Well, today, we're diving deep into the mystery of black holes and why they might just be the key to unlocking the universe's greatest secrets. First things first, what exactly is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape from it. It forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating an infinitely dense point called a singularity. This is surrounded by what's called the event horizon, the point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, there's no coming back. Now, here's the fascinating part. We can't see black holes directly because they don't emit light, but scientists can detect them by observing their effect on nearby stars and gas. When a star gets too close to a black hole, it's ripped apart by its intense gravitational pull, creating a visible accretion disk of gas and dust. This is how we discovered the first black hole, a discovery that changed our understanding of space forever. But what makes black holes so mysterious? Well, scientists have been trying to unlock their secrets for years. One theory is that black holes could be portals to other dimensions, or even time travel. They may also be the key to understanding gravity at quantum levels. In fact, some of the greatest minds, like Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking, have speculated that black holes might hold the answers to some of the universe's deepest questions. In 2019, we got our first ever image of a black hole, thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope. This image, a silhouette of a black hole in the galaxy M87, was a groundbreaking moment in space exploration. It confirmed that black holes are real and that they are far more than just theoretical concepts. But this is only the beginning. With ongoing research, who knows what we'll uncover next? So, what can we learn from black holes? Apart from giving us insight into the nature of space-time and gravity, they could also help us understand how the universe began and where it's headed. They might even reveal hidden dimensions or answers to questions we haven't even thought of yet. The mystery of black holes continues to captivate humanity, and as technology advances, we are one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. But there's still so much to discover. If you want to stay updated on the latest space explorations and mind-blowing discoveries, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe has a lot more to show us.